Hi everyone, my name is Nur Izzati Azrim binti Zamri. Nombor metrik 04 DPR 24F 1056. Okay, today I'm going to share with you guys about the function of regulatory bodies in Malaysia. Firstly, Malaysia Institute of Accountants. The shop name is MIA, and the point to determine the qualification of person for admission as a member. Second, to provide for the training and education by the institute or any other body of person practicing or intending to practice the profession of accountancy. Lastly, to promote in any manner it thinks fits the interest of the profession of accountancy in Malaysia. The second point is Malaysia Accounting Standard Board, short name MASB, issue new accounting standard as approved accounting standard and to review, revise or adopt existing accounting standard as approved accounting standard, and determine scope, application of accounting standard. Lastly, make such changes to proposed accounting standard as considered necessary.
Hello and hi, my name is Nufara Shafiqa binti Muhammad Khairul Anwar and my matric number is 04DPR24F1030. The Companies Commission of Malaysia function is to carry out research and commission studies on any matter relating to corporate and business activities. They also to regulate matters relating to corporation, companies, and businesses in relation to laws administered. Next, the Companies Commission of Malaysia also to encourage and promote proper conduct amongst directors, secretaries, managers, and other officers of a corporation, self-regulated corporations, companies, businesses, industry group, and professional bodies in the corporate sector in order to ensure that all corporate and business activities are conducted in accordance with established norms of good corporate governance. Next, I will talk about Inland Revenue Board. The functions of Inland Revenue Boards is tax collection and administration. They acting as the government's tax collector. The IRPM is responsible for the administration, assessment, enforcement, and collection of various taxes. These taxes encompass income tax, petroleum income tax, real property gain tax, stamp duties, estate duties, and others related levies. Advisory role. The agency serves as an advisor to the government on tax-related matters. This includes providing guidance to various ministries and statutory body on taxation policies and practices. After that, the functions of Inland Revenue Boards is legal function. The IRBM is empowered to perform additional function as mandated by other written laws, ensuring compliance with the nation's tax regulations. And I would like to share a little bit about purchase order. Purchase order is a document used by a customers to order goods from a supplier and is issued by the customer to the supplier. Purchase order also contains the date, item description, total value of order, details of expected delivery, terms of discount, and the name of the person in charge. Next, I would like to share about delivery order. A delivery order is a document used by the supplier as an acknowledgement of the delivery of goods ordered by the customer and is issued by the supplier to the customers. Delivery order contains the date, details of item delivered, amount of item in quantity, address of delivery, date of delivery, and the name of the person. This document is normally accompanied with an invoice is issued by the supplier to the customers, whereby the supplier's request for payment of goods delivered is stated. Other than that, an invoice. An invoice is a document used by a supplier to request payment of goods delivered to a customers and is used in credit transaction. It is issued by the supplier to the customers and it's contain the date, description of items, amount to be paid by the customers, discount terms, and the name of the person in charge.
Cash bill. Cash bill, also known as a receipt or an invoice, is a document that serves as proof of transaction between two parties. It also contains information such as the amount paid, the date of the transaction, and the item purchased. Cash bill also is a documented receipt of cash payments as opposed to an invoice or promise to pay. And a cash is a money in the form of currency, which include all bills, coin, and currency notes. A bill is a piece of paper money. Credit notes. Credit note is a document that indicates a return of fund to the bearer. It is a commonly issued the following: the cancellation of an order, invoice error or loss or damaged good. Credit note may be used to refund a transaction either in whole. The benefit of credit notes is complete financial record tracking fund. Debit notes or debit memo is a document issued by a seller to a buyer to notify them of current debt obligation. You are commonly come across this note in a business-to-business transaction. For example, one business may supply another with goods or service before an official invoice is sent.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Nur Aina Hidayah binti Ahmad. Nama metik saya 04 DPR 24F1064. Okey, saya ingin menerangkan tentang subjek account, dan saya ingin mengulaskan official receipt, payment voucher, memo dan check bug. Okey, first sekali official receipt iaitu resit rasmi yang digunakan oleh pembekas sebagai pengakuan pembayaran dan yang diterima daripada pelanggan dan digunakan untuk bayaran tunai dalam transaksi tunai lah gitu. Lepas tu ia biasanya dikeluarkan daripada pembekal kepada pelanggan. Lepas tu biasanya dia ada tarikh, ada pilihan item, jumlah nilai tunai yang diterima dan cek. Lepas tu yang kedua, payment voucher, iaitu voucher pembayaran yang ialah dokumen yang digunakan oleh pelanggan untuk melakukan pembayaran yang dibuat melalui cek atau tunai. Lepas tu ia juga dikeluarkan oleh pelanggan kepada pembeli. Voucher juga mengandungi nama, tarikh dan alamat pembekal. Selain itu, ia juga mengandungi jumlah nilai yang dibayar, nombor siri, invoice yang akan dilampirkan bersama dengan pembayaran. Akhir sekali, nama orang yang bertanggungjawab. Okey, seterusnya memo pula. Dikenali sebagai memorandum. Ia juga sering digunakan sebagai nota mengenai acara perniagaan yang tertentu. Ia perlu diumumkan jika tiada dokumen lain yang keluar. Biasanya diedarkan secara dalam dan dalaman perniagaan. Keempat, check bug. Nama lain selain check bug ialah check counterfoil. Bahagian ini dikekal dalam buku cek selepas cek dicerai. Cek dicerai untuk buat pembayaran. Lepas tu cek bab ini guna untuk rekod data nama penerima, jumlah yang dibayar yang telah tulis dalam cek, dan dikeluarkan untuk pembayaran. Cek bab ni dia kena simpan oleh perniagaan untuk rujukan masa hadapan. Dia kena simpan lah. Kalau nak buat rujukan nanti, kalau jadi apa-apa nanti, dia nak kena simpan tu untuk rujukan sebagai bukti. Sebagai bukti yang pembayaran tu telah dibuat. Okey, itu saja dari saya. Sekian, terima kasih.